While many of the Australopithecines acquired traits which would be present in the genus Homo, and were arguably ancestral to the genus Homo, there was a side branch of the hominid family tree, a group of robust Australopithecines, sometimes classified as the genus Paranthropus, which was not ancestral to the genus Homo. I am Australopithecus ethiopicus, and I lived about 2.5 million years ago in Kenya in Africa. And while I had a small brain, I did have a number of interesting changes in my head. For instance, I had this large sagittal crest in the middle of my head for larger jaw muscles, and I had really large teeth and large cheeks, and so these together probably gave me a great ability to chew drier foods that I was finding in the more arid environment. And I may have been ancestral to those other robust Australopithecines, and so I may have been the first of this group. I am Australopithecus robustus, and I had an enlarged cranial capacity, but there were none of the changes in the speech areas of the brain evident as would be in later members of the genus Homo. And I, like all of the Australopithecines of the robust group, had a sagittal crest, larger teeth, and adaptations for chewing. I lived in South Africa between 1.5 and 2 million years ago, and I was smart enough to use tools and perhaps even fire. So we robust Australopithecines, the group some people call Paranthropus instead of Australopithecus. We were smart, we walked upright, and we used tools, but we were not the ancestors of the humans which would come later. We were a side branch of the family tree which died out about 1 million years ago.
Hello. I am a large, robust Australopithecine known as Australopithecus boisiei. I lived from 2 million years ago to 1 million years ago and spent 1 million years alongside the genus Homo. I possessed a sagittal crest for jaw muscle attachment and the largest cheek teeth, premolars and molars known in hominids. So, I spend much of my day chewing fibrous foods. There were some variations in my form throughout my range, and even between males and females, as is typical in many primates.